Namaste to all. Hope you all are in good state of health and wealth. So today, I, Srishti Mago, currently pursuing BTech from HMR ITM New Delhi, wholeheartedly taken part in International Women's Hackathon with my co-mates Harshita and Sachi. So, starting with the title of our website, that is Animal Care. Basically, this website is created by considering the scenario of present, as due to the lockdown many pets and stray animals they are not getting proper foods and treatment which is to be fulfilled through this website. As you all know, all the restaurants, shops and even the other feeding food shops they all are closed, so it is very difficult for them to have food. Now, the question comes how we will treat this problem. So, basically, starting with the main homepage of our website, as you can see, it basically consists of the options like home, live chat, about us, diseases, find a help, equipments, animal food, donate, and contact. So, I'll be telling you each and every option one by one. For the live chat, we have this option to give you the access to do video chat with your selected doctor and provide your animal a proper treatment with all the guidelines at home. About us. So basically, as I have told you, why we have created this website and why you will choose us. And it consists of further options like gallery, events, and achievements. So, so far now, we are the team of three worked on creating this website for a great initiative. Diseases. Diseases consist of all the common diseases that your animal can suffer from. So it is easy to just click on the selected disease your animal is suffering from and just get a complete treatment at your home by just finding a related doctor in the given option pet doctor name. In this, you can find a doctor related to that disease who can treat that problem easily. Now, in the equipments, we have all the no, sorry. Also, we have the nearby pets center and the pet NGOs. They will be providing shelter to your animal और यू कैन से स्ट्रे डॉग्स जिनके पास शेल्टर नहीं होता. And for the next step, we have all equipments that are required to treat your animal, which will be provided on emergency basis. Like only if there is an absence of any tool or you required them on an emergency basis, only then it can be provided. Animal food consists of all necessary food items that are required by your animal. So this option also serves the food only on the shortage basis or a quick requirement so you can get them. But also one thing, delivery will only on the emergency basis as lockdown is going on. For donate, we're having options like food, clothes, money, other items. So if any volunteer wants to serve any animal can donate to show their love. For further, you can contact us and give the feedbacks of our website. So now I'll be showing you and I'll be telling you about why we have created this website. Or before that, we having that for any thing you want to search or you can say any queries you have or you know want to know more about our website, so you can go to these options that are given on the home page. And now you can just type and scroll. Next up I have and I'll be telling you why we have built this website. As earlier I have told you, due to the serious pandemic going on, so the food, shelter, and mainly the proper health treatments for animals is difficult. So to serve that thing easily and effectively at your home, this website is created. Next up we have is about us. This gives a short description about our team and our website, so you can have a look. And also it is following by the famous quote by Albert Einstein. Now we having the containers having options like live chat, nutritious food, best equipments, which I've already told you in brief what these options usually consist of. So you can just start the trial and you can see how this works. But the but this part is incompleted for now, and hopefully it will complete in future. And as I have told you in the above section, there is a short description about all the options we have. Now, as I have told you what diseases are, what it consists of, find nearby help, equipments, pet food, donate, contact us. And also, I'll be telling you about this pop up chat. You just click on this and you will receive this, enter your name, mail, and leave a message. So it will directly solve your query. You just have to tell your problems and get solutions to your problems. Now, in addition to this, I'll be telling you that we have hosted our website on the GitHub account. I'll be providing you the link, and also I have uploaded all the code of HTML and CSS file, the code that is required for this website. I have uploaded already on the GitHub account. And also for the hosting, you can just click on the settings, and after that you just have to go to GitHub pages and master branch, and then you have to just go to the code, then go to environment and just click on the view deployment, and you can see our website that is hosted on that platform. And also I'll be telling you that we have our social page icons, so you can also refer to that, and for any update you can refer and just ask your queries. So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you all.